Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on and do a quick video. Uh, my version of a video that I saw on TikTok a couple of days ago. This is apparently an old trick that I didn't know about, but it makes your processes incredibly fast for creating main folders and subfolders within the main folder. It's a combination of Excel and Notepad. Who knew? Notepad. Dust it off the shelf, pick it out. Who uses Notepad anymore? I don't. I'm not knocking people that do. I just haven't had use for it in ages until now. Holy cow! Let's check this out because I'm still flabbergasted by this. Like seriously blown away. It's really cool. It's just yeah, way too excited about this. I've had an energy drink and yeah, I'm eating my goldfish. This is my snack for today. So yeah, let's check this out. So we're going to start by creating our year, which is going to be our TBL, reference our TBL table. We're going to pull in our year date, and we're actually going to move that over just a little bit because we got to add something to it. Okay, and now we're going to TBL, create our, first we're going to start by referencing our cell above. We're going to lock it in by pressing F4 on our keyboard, add our concatenate symbol, add our slash for our space in between our main folder and our subfolder, and then we're going to reference our months, and we're going to reference the months dates within our months table. And again, because I have Office 365, this is going to spill, but if you don't have Office 365, I'll walk through how to do that in just a second. So because I have Office 365, it's spilled down, pulled in all those dates. If you don't have Office 365, I just recommend doing it like this. We're just going to reference, we're going to say this guy, again, lock it in, and we're going to concatenate our two dates together, and we're going to click on this guy, and we're going to go F4, F4, F4 to make the row dynamic. We're going to do relative row 2, but column 2 over here on our side. And we're going to press enter, and then we're going to drag that formula down for the 12 rows that we've got. So again, if you don't have Office 365, this is the way that I would recommend doing this. If you do have Office 365, just follow the method that I've already covered. Now, we're going to put in the column immediately to the left-hand side, we're going to type MD, capital MD. We're going to hold down Control on our keyboard and press Enter to populate all the rows that we have selected. Now we're going to select all of that information. We're going to copy it, and we're going to search for Notepad on our desktop or on my desktop because I don't know where it is anymore. I haven't used it in so long. And we're going to paste that in. Now we're going to go File, Save As, and I've already created a folder on my desktop, Tester, but here's the thing, you have to save this file within the folder that you want the directory created in. So that's key. You need to create a main folder with whatever name you would like and save this specific file, this Notepad file, into that folder. So we're going to do 2023, and I've already got an example. So here's the thing. Okay, here is the trick to this. You got to type .bat for batch file, and I'll add in the description about why that's important, what it does. Still, wow. And I'll include a link to the original TikTok video because it just, yeah, really, really cool. Old school trick, apparently. I didn't know it, but yeah, I'm going to be using this trick for a while because it is that cool. I'm like, wow, just, yeah. So I'm going to click Save. Yes, I want to replace it. Yes, I want to close that down. Minimize that. And now we're in our folder that we created just now, or our tester folder. This is the one from previous, so I'm going to delete it. And drum roll, we're going to double click on this. This is no longer a Notepad file. This is a Windows batch file, and it's going to kick off a command, Windows command to create a folder directory. So double click. There it is. How cool is that? I mean, like, it just created the year folder. Within the year folder, we've got each one of our subfolders that we wanted to create, and it's there. I mean, it was that quick. No manually typing it in. It just went whoosh, like that. Is that not cool? I mean, that is really awesome. It's just, yeah. Um, that's really cool. Go back into Excel, and what I want to do, now that I've got my formulas set up, here's a key: reusability. Formulas. Over here in my report framework builder, I'm going to change the year date to 2024. Press enter. Now look over here on my side, because I've created the dynamic formulas that I covered in the previous video. This now all updates accordingly. So same thing as before. I'm going to copy it, select it all, copy it, go find my notepad. I'm actually going to add this to my quick access toolbar because it's that just wow cool. So paste it in the notepad, save as, and we're going to name this guy. We're going to go 2024 create folder directory dot bat batch bat file extension. Save. Minimize that guy. Go back up to our tester main folder. There's our batch folder, batch file that we just created. Double click on it. It goes off. It does its thing. It just created the 2024 main folder. Within the subfolders for each one of those. No more typing in that fast. Super cool. I'm speechless. I like sit here manually typing this in. I had created VBA code, which I plan to cover. I still plan to cover in a later video how I create this dynamically and ensure that each one of these is created. But I didn't know this trick. I'm still like blown away by this, and I hope you find it useful. Please try it out. Let me know what you think, and I hope you have a great day, because I'm going to have an awesome day. Yeah, it's Friday. Holy cow, what a great present on Friday. This is awesome. Check it out, try it out. Let me know what you think. Again, have a great day. Hope you have a great weekend. Keep excelling.